Good morning to all. In the fertilizer technology, recently we discussing the theorem of flowing through the annulus. Okay, so for the annulus pipe, which will be considered as one type of a heat exchanger. That means inside of the tube, different fluid which is used, and outside of the surface also we used a different fluid. So at the last of the end we got the equation of the velocity profile of the annulus flow, which is given into the equation number 2.74. So then after we can find the maximum velocity, average velocity, and all these other parameters. Now the today's lecture is based upon the immiscible liquids. That means if there is a two fluid which is are immiscible with each other, also they are incompressible. Okay, so fluid cannot be compressed. So what happen if there is an immiscible fluids are flowing in a single pipe, which having a different densities and which having a different velocity profiles. So using the density profile or incompressible fluid, we have to find out the velocity profile and velocity. So let us consider that two immiscible incompressible liquid are flowing in the z direction only in a horizontal narrow slit of length L and width W. कोई एक लेंथ L करके क्या है नैरो स्लिट है. ओके, जो फ्लूइड है फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इट इज़ इनकम्प्रेसिबल एंड इमिसिबल. ओके, देन fluid is passing through the z direction only, so we are considering the velocity profile only in the z direction, so that's why x and y velocity gradients will be 0, and this narrow slit having a length of L and width of W. So the fluid are flowing under the pressure gradient only. दैट मीन्स कि जो फ्लूइड है वो अंडर द प्रेशर कंडीशन के अंदर ही फ्लो होगा. ओके, सो दैट मीन्स एट अ z इक्वल टू एज पर वी शो इन फिगर, we can see that at a z equal to 0 distance, at a z point there is a velocity is equal to 0, and pressure is also z p0 is z equal to 0, and at the end of pressure is p0, and for the z is equal to L length. Okay, over here for here z equal to 0, that's why pressure P is equal to P0. Okay, and the end of z equal to L length, ये जो लेंथ पूरा दिया गया है क्या है L length. Okay, so total length is L, so z equal to L where pressure PL is equal to PL. Okay, pressure P is equal to PL. Fluid 1 is more dense and more viscous than fluid 2 as shown in figure 2.9. ચાલો, એઝ પર વી શો ઇન ફિગર કે જે બંને ફ્લુઇડ છે બરાબર, જે ઇનકમ્પ્રેસિબલ છે, ઓબ્વિયસલી ઇટ હેવિંગ અ ડિફરન્ટ ડેન્સિટી, સો દેટ્સ વાય દે આર નોટ મિસિબલ વિથ ઇચ અધર, એન્ડ ધીસ બોથ ફ્લુઇડ આર હેવિંગ અ ડિફરન્ટ ડેન્સિટી. સો ફ્લુઇડ 1 ઇઝ ફ્લુઇડ 1 જે છે બરાબર એ શું છે, the fluid 1 is more dense and more viscous. જે એક નંબરનું ફ્લુઇડ છે, ઇટ ઇઝ વેરી વિસ્કસ એન્ડ વેરી ડેન્સ લિક્વિડ. જે ફ્લુઇડ 1 છે, ધીસ ઇઝ ધ ફ્લુઇડ 1 and here is the viscosity of fluid 1, which is more dense, densible and more viscous of the fluid. ઠીક છે. દેટ મીન્સ કે જે લિક્વિડ છે બરાબર એ કેવું છે, ખૂબ જ ડેન્સી છે, હેવી છે અને જેની વિસ્કોસિટી ખૂબ જ વધારે છે કમ્પેર ટુ ફ્લુઇડ 2. જેમ કે અહીંયા બીજું એક ફ્લુઇડ આપેલું છે ફ્લુઇડ 2 બરાબર, કે જે ફ્લુઇડ છે એની વેલોસિટી કઈ અલગ હશે, એની વિસ્કોસિટી અલગ હશે બરાબર. અને એ બંને વચ્ચે જે લાઇન છે બરાબર, તો આ જે છે એ કેવું છે, ફર્સ્ટ ઓફ ઓલ ઇટ ઇઝ અ લેસ ડેન્સ એન્ડ લેસ વિસ્કસ ફ્લુઇડ. ઓકે, એન્ડ at the center it is the interface between two immiscible liquids at where the two liquids are in getting the contact with each others. Okay, so here is the interface line is drawn. So both fluid are having a different density and viscosity, so fluid must be passed on the z direction only. So let's move again forward. We are encounter here then the fluid 1 will be flowing in the lower portion of the plate and fluid 2 will be flowing above the fluid 1. Because of the reason is that fluid which having a larger density and larger viscosity, it having a heavy viscous liquid, so it will be moved from the downside, bottom part of the pipe or the narrow slit, where we can encounter such as a situation which is the transportation of petroleum product and water in a chemical industry. We can encounter such as a situation which the transportation of petroleum products and water in a chemical industry, and the flow rates of the fluid are adjusted in such a way that the lower half of the slit is filled with fluid 1 and the upper half of is 1 is filled with fluid 2. Okay, the flow rate of fluid are adjusted in such a way, એવી રીતે એડજસ્ટ કરેલું છે કે લોઅર હાફ છે સ્લીટનો it is filled with A and upper half is filled with 2. Okay, એટલે ફ્લો રેટ પણ કેવું થશે, એઝ પર ધી વિસ્કોસિટી નોર્મ્સ it will be a different. Okay, so it will be heavier viscous liquid, it is filled with the width of B, and similar width of B is filled with the fluid B. The fluid are flowing sufficiently slowly so that interface is not disturbed. So we can see that in this figure. Now the assumptions made in analysis for the flow of two immiscible fluids which is flowing to the two horizontal plane, and this will be shown as a for the particularly immiscible liquids we have to measure, we have to assumption some to the analyze the flow of fluid. So first one is, that means a flow is laminar flow, that means there is no turbulence is created in the pipeline or narrow slit. Second thing is already we discussed, that is incompressible fluid, so there is not an effect of temperature, pressure and compositions on the fluid, and it will not be reduce the size or shape of the fluid. Third one is the steady state condition, that means fluid must be passed on the steady state condition. At that point there is no temperature and pressure effect as well as the other. Fourth one is that only pressure gradient occurs. That means what do you mean by pressure difference occurs? The pressure is mainly for this procedure, narrow slit for a two immiscible liquid. There is an only प्रेशर ग्रेडियंट अकर्स, दैट मीन्स जो जो भी एक्सटर्नल फोर्सेस है वो यहाँ पे नेगलेक्ट है, ओनली जो प्रेशर है, ओके, जो हम यूज़ कर रहे हैं इस प्रोसेस के अंदर उसी को हम यूज़ कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे. एंड देन फिफ्थ वन इज लिक्विड आर न्यूटोनियन, दैट मीन्स Newtonians, that means fluid which is flowing and follow the condition of Newton's law of viscosity. Those fluid are Newtonian fluid. Okay. So here it is are. Now then the coordinates x and z are selected in such a manner that interface in figure 2.9 2.5 ની અંદર જે ઇન્ટરફેસ બતાવ્યું છે એક્સ અને ઝેડ ડાયરેક્શન, બરાબર, જે ઝેડ ડાયરેક્શનની અંદર ફ્લો પાસ થાય છે, બરાબર, becomes the z axis. So distance between the plates is to be the plate is to be બે જે પ્લેટ છે તેના વચ્ચેનું ડિસ્ટન્સ છે, that is the minimum distance is to be, and then the shear stress is considered will be the shear stress is considering is the momentum flux, and momentum flux is tau xz. Okay, it is tau xz. This is the momentum flux. Now let's consider a shell at a distance x and thickness of delta x shown in figure 2.10. બરાબર, જે 2.10ની અંદર આપણને બતાવ્યું છે એ પ્રમાણે. So let us consider a distance x or a thickness of delta x. Distance at x and the thickness of delta x. जहाँ पे जो डिस्टेंस हमने कंसिडर किया है वहाँ पे the thickness will be considered is delta x, which is shown in figure 2.10, and applying a momentum balance at a shell, and then we are applying a momentum balance on the shell, so that then after we get the momentum balance in momentum minus out and plus external force acting on the body. So let us see first of all the figure. So this gives a માની લો કે કોઈ डिस्टेंस છે, બરાબર, दिस इज द सेंटर लाइन. ओके, सो सेंटर लाइन છે, हमने क्या किया, एक डिस्टेंस ले लिया विच इज एक्स, જે અહીંયા બતાવ્યું છે, બરાબર. તો એક્સ ડિસ્ટન્સ પર ડેલ્ટા એક્સ જેટલી થિકનેસવાળું સેલ આપણે કન્સિડર કરીએ છીએ. ધીસ ઇઝ અ શેલ, એન્ડ એટ ધેટ પોઈન્ટ વી હેવ ટુ ફાઇન્ડ આઉટ ધ રીઝન. At that point we have to find out the momentum balance, cell momentum balance. Okay, so that means a center line is indicating that कि जैसे ही plane of zero stress is indicating over here, इसका मतलब ये होता है कि नीचे का पोर्शन जो वेलोसिटी शियर स्ट्रेस वर्सेस जो वेलोसिटी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन है उससे क्या पता चलता है. दैट मीन्स ये जो डिस्टेंस है ये पूरा इट इज़ एन एक्स बाई बी विच इज़ 1/2 ऑफ फ्लूइड 1 माइनस फ्लूइड 2 सॉरी विस्कोसिटी 1 माइनस 2 डिवाइड बाय विस्कोसिटी 1 प्लस viscosity 1 plus 2. When velocity distribution is that, we have to know that the velocity is at a center, it is maximum, and if there is if you gone for the increase in radius, that means decrease in velocity. So આ પોઈન્ટ ઉપર આપણે સમજીએ, બરાબર, વેલોસિટી. તો જે લોઅર ડેન્સિટી છે, બરાબર, તો લોઅર ડેન્સિટીવાળો ભાગ કયો થશે? This will be the lower density વાળો ભાગ. તો એ દિશામાં જ્યાં સેન્ટર લાઇન હશે ત્યાં ધીસ સેન્ટર લાઇન ત્યાં વેલોસિટી મેક્સિમમ, અને જેવું તમે સેન્ટરથી દૂર દૂર જતા જશો તેવું શું થશે, વેલોસિટી ડિક્રીઝ થતી જશે, બરાબર, ઇન ધીસ ફોર્મ. એન્ડ opposite thing is that the shear stress is also distributed. That means there is a less shear stress is occurs in the upper part, and the higher shear stress distribution is required for the lower part. So these are the figure, and then we have to do the momentum balance, cell momentum balance at the point of x and distance and the thickness of delta x for a cell. So this will be calculated in the next lecture.